whole idea started on account of my quest to improve my uh, command over language, English being a global language, and good vocabulary certainly enriches your language. I have read a lot of books on English vocabulary, and various techniques are used, but I have found that no technique is exhaustive. Like you can be equipped with a limited number of words, but to remember or to memorize a large number of words, those techniques are not useful. So then I was thinking to develop a technique, a method whereby I can memorize large number of words from the dictionary. So like in the book itself I have written how I got into that idea. I was additional SP East Godavari, and I was going from Kakinada to Amlapuram, traveling in the car. I took some 10 words from letter C with the meanings. I went on looking at the meanings and thinking something. My brother is here. He was that time he was in REC Warangal studying BTech. So I just imagine, it's a brainwave you can say. Imagine that my brother was coming to visit me in Kakinada. So on the way he would visit, touch some places, how it would be. Like that, I said these 10 words in that sequence where he would have visited. So after reaching Amlapuram, I noted down the story and tried to recall the words. Out of 10 words, 7 words I could recall from the visual memory. I have gone through the story some 3-4 times from the visual format, and I tried to recall the words. To my surprise, I found I recalled all the 10 words. So that's how I started this thing. So ultimately, it is related to science and technology. See, perspective is like you can remember a large number of words. As for example, in my case, I memorized about 10,000 words. To be precise, 11,000 words from A to Z. That is number one. Number two, in the manner of this technique, by practicing this technique, it gives you a lot of imagination. How to compose the stories, how to imagine, like a situation like Hyderabad, anything on the ship, something related to ship, you have to find in Hyderabad. The storyline is in Hyderabad. How do you do it? So your imagination is kindled. Like then you think of you watching, sitting in front of a TV and watching Titanic, or going to a movie and watching a Poseidon Adventure and things like that. So you can set the situations like that. So you become very versatile in imagination. So that brings about, unleashes your creativity. And because of this technique, I found that in the 3rd century world theory on nature of light, I could dispute and then successfully, by doing experiments, successfully dispute and come up with a new version.